Everyone, and welcome to the village of Clovelly here in North Devon. It's just there behind me. It's up a really steep hill, so yeah, let's go and have a look. Clovelly is a privately owned harbour village in the Torridge district of Devon. The settlement and its surrounding land belongs to John Roos, who inherited it from his mother in 1983. He belongs to the Hamlin family, who have managed the village since 1738. The village is built into the sea cliffs of the North Devon shore. It has a steep, pedestrianised cobbled main street with traditional architecture. Due to the gradients, donkeys, now mostly replaced with sledges, have been used to move goods and cargo from Clovelly Bay. Visitors to the village entering via the visitor centre are required to pay an entrance fee, which covers parking, entrance to 2 museums, Clovelly Court Gardens, and an audio-visual history guide. The cost worked out about £9 to £10 per adult. As of 2021, Clovelly included approximately 80 cottages, 2 chapels, 2 hotels, woodlands, and about 2,000 acres of farmland. The village is not accessible to any motor vehicles whatsoever. There has always been a charge to visit Clovelly. Like most historical landmarks, for example National Trust sites, they rely heavily on entrance fees for the essential maintenance and upkeep that comes with an ancient village perched on a 400-foot cliff.